Yo! Welcome back. Check out this amazing Best GBT Type 2 that I just found. It's officially the most talked about item this month. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it is remarkably high-end. The materials feel solid and very comfortable to handle. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The actual performance is where it truly shines. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: this offer won't last. Check the link in the description and secure yours at the best possible price today.